Welcome to Autoglide, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and analysis. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Tata Nexon, one of the most anticipated compact SUVs in the market. This latest iteration of the Nexon brings a host of design refinements, advanced technology, and powertrain updates to keep it ahead of the competition. The 2025 Nexon sports a bold and futuristic design with sharper LED DRLs, a new split headlamp setup, and an updated grille with Tata's signature design language. The front bumper is now more sculpted, giving the car an aggressive yet modern stance. The side profile retains its coupe-like silhouette, enhanced by new dual-tone alloy wheels and sharper character lines. At the rear, the LED tail lamps are now connected with an illuminated light bar, giving it a premium and high-tech appearance. The Nexon's aerodynamic improvements also contribute to better efficiency and high-speed stability. Under the hood, the 2025 Nexon continues with its proven powertrains, offering a 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine and a 1.5-liter diesel engine. The petrol unit produces around 125 PS and 225 Nm of torque, while the diesel variant delivers approximately 115 PS and 260 Nm. Tata has refined both engines for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual, an AMT, and the much-anticipated DCT gearbox for the petrol variant. The ride and handling have been further improved with revised suspension tuning, ensuring better comfort and stability on highways and city roads alike. Tata has packed the Nexon with an array of advanced features, making it one of the most tech-loaded SUVs in its segment. It now comes equipped with a larger touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, providing a seamless driving experience with customizable displays. Other key features include a premium sound system, automatic climate control, ventilated seats, a wireless phone charger, and connected car technology with remote access through a mobile app. Safety remains a strong focus for Tata Motors, and the 2025 Nexon continues to uphold its high safety standards. Built on a robust platform, the SUV is expected to maintain its impressive crash test ratings. It comes with 6 airbags as standard, electronic stability control, traction control, hill assist, and a 360-degree camera with parking sensors. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning may also be introduced in higher variants. Tata has also introduced a more extensive customization program, allowing buyers to personalize their Nexon with a variety of color options, roof finishes, and accessory packs. This adds a level of exclusivity, making the Nexon an attractive choice for customers looking to stand out. With its futuristic design, refined powertrains, feature-loaded cabin, and strong safety credentials, the 2025 Tata Nexon continues to be a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. Stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews and analysis on Autoglide, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.